Hey everyone, this is Anna here. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about my upcoming workshop that will be next month, September 28th and 29th, which is a Saturday and Sunday. This is an in-person, hands-on workshop on this painting technique called Cuerda Seca, or dry rope in English. In Portuguese, we call it Cuerda Seca. So this is a technique that is more known in the South America, Europe regions. It was originated in Spain and Portugal. It's an ancient technique that used to be used mainly on tiles. Nowadays, people use on vertical pieces. It could be anything. The key thing here is to use very stable glazes. The line work, they call it cuerda seca because the line work stays flat on the surface. And this is what we'll be doing. So it will be the 2 days. The first day we'll be making tiles. And you can either bring your own design or I'm gonna have lots of designs for you. I'm providing all the pieces already bisqued and ready for you to paint. So there will be tiles. We'll be making coasters, which will be round, and also little dishes that are a little bit curved, and you'll be painting them inside. So we'll have a lot of fun with those. You're not limited to a quantity, let's say. It's however many pieces you can fit on that day, but the point is not to rush through the process, is to really learn. I am gonna be teaching you everything that I know, how to mix the oil mixture, how to apply, and that's always very important, is the consistency of that oil mixture. So you'll be learning that, and how you apply the glaze using those bottle applicators with the little needle. I am providing all that. I'm providing you with the liner brush, and all the materials, all the tools, all the glazes, everything that you need. I'm also providing lunch and refreshments, coffee in the morning. We're just gonna have fun. It will be 2 fun days, no worries, very relaxing. I don't want you to worry if you're not a painter. You don't have to be. It's for all levels of experience. So I'm literally gonna be holding your hand. I do give a lot of attention to my attendees. I'm limited to only 10 people here for my space in my studio. And also, if it is less people, it's better because I can give you a lot more attention. And so the second day, I'll show you what we'll be doing. And you have a choice to make either a little bud vase. It will be painted all around, or a cup, or both, if you can fit that in. And I'll show you exactly the tricks that I do to hold the piece so you don't touch, because you shouldn't touch the line work that you do or you will smear. So you'll be learning a ton of stuff with me. For people who have taken my workshop, they know that I do give a lot of information. So hopefully you take all that information home and be using it. But the moment you touch this texture, I think you fall in love. It's such a nice technique, and so many things that you can do with it. I'm always surprised to see some people send me emails with attachments of things that they are trying, and it makes me so happy that people are trying this technique and just loving it. So the first day, all the pieces that we make on that first day, I'm going to fire on Saturday, and to be ready for you to take home by the end of the day, Sunday. And then the pieces that we make on Sunday, you can either take home if you want. We'll wrap it really well so the glazes won't be damaged, but I am also going to fire them and I can ship it to you. So however you want, I'll be glad to ship your work to your address. So will be 2 fun days of learning a lot of stuff, relaxing. We can sit here on the garden. There are different places that you can sit if you just want to relax and be inspired by nature. I am going to show you also a variation of this technique, and I think you're going to love it. It's using other mediums instead of the oil. And I know you're gonna love this technique. The moment you touch it, it's such a nice texture. You're gonna fall in love just like I did. So I'm excited for this workshop, and I hope you are too, and I hope to see you soon.